I'm still doing the second batch of my laundry. Yeah, it is now 4 o'clock. I have my other laundry outside, and now I'm preparing this. Yeah, this is the hamper light corned beef that I bought yesterday. Some of the viewers said this one is tastes better than the usual corned beef that I am taking. Yes, we're going to cook it now. You know, the smell of this meat is really different from the one in the Philippines. Yeah, I prefer the one in the Philippines. This is why I put a lot of garlic here, so that the smell will. Good morning, guys. It is now, at the moment I am editing a video, but this time I am using the LumaFusion. So basically this one. Yeah, this is a LumaFusion. Yeah, this is my second time to edit video with this LumaFusion. I just downloaded it maybe 3 months ago, but you know, I'm still not familiar how to use it. This is my second copy, and I'm editing the video. This is the Tagalog one. I still don't know the other features of this LumaFusion, but I think there are so much features that I can use here. I'm still learning. Yo, we're going to work now. With regards to my problem, I found a natural solution. Yeah, I don't need to make any excuse or something like that. Yeah, it comes naturally. So basically, yeah, because you know, I have just a certificate 3 with my cookery, and with this certificate I am not able to apply for a chef position, especially for head chef position, because you know, yeah, my experience maybe I maybe have long years of experience, but you know, with the standards here in Australia, you know, there are process, but so basically I'm not qualified to apply for the visa as a head chef. Yeah, that's the, so it means that I don't need to, you know, think or you know, to find a solution. Yeah, things like that. I don't need to worry, it comes naturally. So I'm all good now. At the moment there are many people who are sailing in there. Also some people who have this paragliding, something like that. Nice. It is very windy at the moment. As you can see, the water here, yeah, waving a lot. I basically applied to that restaurant because, yeah, one of the reasons is for me to experience another place here in Australia. I had an interview, like a panel interview with the owner and the executive chef there, and I told them that I am not a leader. I don't know why they still give me the head chef position. Maybe, I don't know. That's why when the offer letter comes, I was shocked and surprised because I was not expecting that early. And then suddenly I think of all the plans that I have in mind, because you know, in my current job I'm planning to have a vacation and we'll go somewhere around Australia or maybe in Europe, things like that. Yeah, so I panic and consider it as a problem. I can't say yes because I don't want to be a head chef. I can't say no because I consider that they like me and they want me to be working with them. Yeah, it means that if they give me that position, they are believing in me. But you know, and so I was thinking about the situation, finding a solution, you know, not to not to give them a problem. And yeah, I had a conversation with their lawyer, with their migration agency, and yeah, I found out that I am not able to apply for a new visa as a head chef because my Australian qualification is just a commercial cookery certificate 3, and it must be commercial cookery certificate 4. But actually, if I am going to just transfer my current visa to that new company, it is possible for me to be a head chef. But like what I've said, I don't want to be a head chef. Yeah. Good morning, guys. It is now 10:10 and I'm going to prepare my breakfast. I have here the leftover rice yesterday, and I put some water and I boiled, so basically become a porridge. Put some pasta. I still have some pasta here. Oh, if you notice, I have this pitcher because last night I have some guests here in the house. Yeah, basically just Inigo and a new Filipino guy. So basically we eat pancit canton yesterday, instant noodles. I didn't able to watch because I was sleepy. That's around 12 o'clock last night. So basically this Filipino guy is my viewer. Not really a viewer, maybe he see my video for sometimes, and then he contacted me, he sent me a message. But because I'm not really friendly, I don't have much time. I refer him to Inigo. Inigo is is my colleague, a Filipino guy at work. Yeah, so I refer him to Inigo, and they had a conversation. And yesterday they meet, and they come here last night. He said that there is nothing much to see in Tea Garden. Because when I went to Tea Garden before, there is just a residential area and a supermarket and some hotel. That's it. This is it. Yeah.